Yo, what is up, boys? Today is not Motovlog day. So real quick before this video starts, I realized that in the middle of editing it, I'm actually in the middle of editing the video that I was going to upload, I realized that it is not really fair to do a comparison on a camera that I haven't got to use yet. So instead of doing the pros and cons like I had originally filmed and was editing, in this video, I'm only going to do the unboxing and the new helmet setup. And then when I'm able to use the camera on the bike, then I can talk about the pros and the cons, because obviously that's not fair for a camera I haven't even got to film with on my motorcycle because it's 1 degree outside. But we do have some nice days coming up and I should be able to get out the camera then. And then when I'm on the bike, I will talk about the pros and the cons and the reasons that I switched. So I know I said last video I was going to do that this video, but I just realized it's not fair. So enjoy the unboxing and the new helmet setup. Today is a day that I knew was coming for a very, very long time, but I finally got pushed over the edge, and I will get into that a little bit later. But in front of me, right here, is a box with something that I have been waiting for a long time. I just didn't want to pull the trigger, and I finally pulled the trigger. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, here we go. Knife acquired. Huh. Great protection, huh? Thanks, Amazon. Here she is. Wow, that box is tiny. Look at that box. Now, you also notice I did not get the newer one, and I will explain that in a minute. Now, I have never used nor touched one of these, but I'm actually filming on the Pocket 3 right now. That's what you guys are on with the DJI Mic 2, which has a huge hint on why I am going to use this and switch to DJI. I've never held one of their action cameras, so pretty excited to see this. Oh, okay. Accessories. Obviously the camera first. Oh, look at that. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that puppy right there. Dual touch screens. Oh yeah. Let's see what else we get. A snack to save for later. What's in here? Oh, the case. Okay. A lens hood, the battery, which does have fast charging, just like the DJI. God, I love you, DJI. Oh, a mount. Look at that. A mount. W. And then the fingers. Sick. Let's get this thing turned on. Let's take a look at it. So this is kind of the best camera position that I could do. So I'm sorry if it's not the best. You're just going to have to deal with it. I'm sorry. So the first step that we're going to do is tearing it apart. So let's take this guy off. First we got to unplug it, unscrew this guy. She comes off. Now, oh God, I hope this freaking tape comes off because I don't know if it's gonna, but we're gonna try. This is like strong. Oh, I hope it didn't leave like a residue. Oh, it doesn't look like it did. That's good. Oh gosh, yeah, this sucker's on there, huh? It's probably gonna be a super clean spot in this helmet though. Oh, there's a little bit of residue. So you can see, because the Purple Panda also needs an adapter, which is this. Oh God bless. Oh, it like melted through the plastic. Oh, that's lovely. But see, this is an adapter to go into the Purple Panda, which of course it needed. Oh, here's some residue. Well, it's coming off pretty good actually. Okay, Gorilla Tape, I see you. Man, it's strong. Oh no, get off there. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so not much residue, which kind of makes me happy. So now, without that wire there, this is one of those helmets that kind of opens like a cop. Now I can open it. See, here's all my wires tucked in to this cheek pad over here. Let's try to get all of those out. Oh yeah, baby. It's time. Get out of there. What is this? What is this wrapped around? What is it? Oh, is it through this? God, it's been so long since I've had to take how to take wires out of a helmet. I don't remember. Oh, okay, I had them bundled up with a little tape in there. And now, let's button this back up. This is very hard to film, so I'm sorry guys, just gonna have to, I'm doing my best. Now I don't remember what I used. Is it just tape? Hold on, I need to take a look at this. Okay, so it's the same tape, just on the inside. Now I'm trying to save this microphone because, you know, Purple Panda actually has been a really good microphone, and I've only known of like one failing ever, and it was Stone's. There's the little Panda, right there. Get that guy off there. Boom, she is out. Perfect. Now off camera, real quick, I'm gonna clean this surface. There's one more piece of tape in here. There we go. I am going to clean this real quick off camera, and we will get to sticking the Velcro in there. All right, I just cleaned it, and I have a light right here. I'll see if you guys can see where I'm going to put it. Yeah, you can, kind of. You see how it's all plastic on the front of there? I'm probably going to put it on this left side over here. It's all shiny in there. So let's get to installing it. So I don't think it matters, but I am going to put the I'm going to put the Velcro on this side and have that side be the one that's stuck. So I don't know what piece of Velcro should go where. I know it doesn't matter, but if it should be this side or the hook and loop side. Make sure we're lined up. Sorry if the camera can't see that well. Boom. Now let's push that son of a gun right there. Oots, 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 oots. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's stuck on there. I have no worries about this coming off, I don't think. Let's make sure it sticks to the mic. Here we go. Oh yeah, that son of a gun is glued. See? Oh gosh, I almost just lost it right there. Helmet time. Yeah, I won't be able to film it because I have to make sure the mic is in a good spot in the helmet. And obviously I'm wearing the mic and that'll just be loud and annoying. So when I get this Velcro in here, I will bring you back and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, I'll have my girlfriend point the flashlight in here. Right here, that is where we decided to go. That's against this cheek pad and not hit those buttons. Whoa, just got bright in here again. It's out of the way enough to not hit the buttons and out of the way of my mouth so it's not directly in front of my mouth. So I'm gonna show you now with the mic in there. So boom, that's what it looks like with the mic in there. Oh, I'm excited, boys. I'm so excited. All right, so I have to be kind of quiet because I haven't adjusted the volume settings on the mic. So it's gonna sound very loud, but I'll do that off camera because I have to use this mic, not with this, but obviously the Action. But she's in here, and luckily with this helmet, there's a little chin skirt underneath here. So if I feel like the mic's about to fall, I can lean my head forward like this, see? And the mic will fall in here and not come straight out the bottom. So that's perfect, boys. But I'm gonna get out of here and let these cure because you don't want to put too much weight on it while it's curing, obviously. And then we'll get the camera set up and test it out. All right, now it's time for the mount. So if you're curious, this is the ensemble that I have to use. There's a little curved piece here, curved piece right here. Then it goes into a 180 that turns it from this way to this way, and it sits in the helmet just like that. So boom. This is the first time it's ever been on the helmet. Oh, I'm excited. Not this mount, but the camera. We click this guy in and then take this metal screw out, and then we're gonna put her in there. Oh, look at that. Boom, just like that. Now, yes, it is a little high in my face, but I actually like it that way. I know a lot of people like to get cameras out of their way, but I like to see what my camera is seeing. I promise it's not a distraction. I promise not dangerous, but I like to be able to see at least the back of the screen and this red light to let me know that I'm filming, because with GoPro, you know, we had so many problems. Sometimes I wouldn't know when it just shuts off or it overheats. So with this, hopefully I can see that it is recording. Let's get this helmet on and show you guys what the finished product looks like. Let's put her on, boys. Oh, how does that look, huh? Oh yeah, I can perfectly see. I hope that's not too loud for you guys. I can perfectly see out this way. The camera is barely just in my vision. Look at that. Yep, I can see that what the camera sees. I can see how much battery I have and how much SD card space I have. I am very excited for this setup, and I would go use it right now, but it is currently 0 degrees outside. Literally, I think my phone says 0. I just got my girlfriend's phone. I don't know if you can see that, but it says -1. So I can't be filming in that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit. I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned up and we will film an outro. All right, boys, I know this was kind of a yap fest, but I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the helmet setup in one video. So that is the new setup, completely wireless, way higher quality audio. I promise as soon as we get a nice day, I think we've got a couple coming up. As soon as I can get out, I will be getting out. Please let me know your thoughts and comments if you think I made the right decision or what your experience has been so far. Or GoPro fanboys, get mad at me. I'm in the DJI ecosystem and I will never turn back again. So thank you guys for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed. And as always, if you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. Hope you're excited for DJI, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.